I'm not really marketing this app, this VPN, but Vertex VPN, I think I find it a bit fast compared to other VPN softwares. And not only me, but when you try to look into the reviews, you realize actually these guys have a lot of 5-star reviews. Most people actually talking about the speeds that I've told you. It doesn't really glitch a lot on most phones. Actually, haven't really seen a lot of people complaining about it glitching. It's fast loading, and it has a lot of countries, guys. Okay, it has a lot of countries. I'm not really just saying like this. I'm not really marketing this app, but I'm telling you there are some countries that you can't find in other apps that you find on this app. There are some states you can actually choose by the state, unlike other VPNs where you can just choose maybe US, but this one you can even choose the state. Okay. So if you're really looking for an advanced VPN app for free, you can try out this app. Definitely, it's actually worth recommending someone. Okay. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in app reviews like this, and see you. Bye bye.